And after that, see if the temperature control will allow the unit to shut down properly. So you're gonna have to just raise the temperature, make sure the solenoid closes, and then if it's not calling anymore, go check the condensing unit and make sure that it shuts off.
It's off. Yeah.
And if you do that, you can be sure that the operation is working fine.
Okay.
And but yeah, I think the TXV adjustment is all you really need to do, because that's all I really did when I went there last time.
Yeah. Okay. All right then. I mean, once I get there, I'll try those things out. Yeah. Because I mean, we'll go from there, bro. Yeah? We'll see how shit goes.
See, way. Okay, sounds good, way.
All right, bro. Thank you, my boy.
You're welcome. All right, bye.
Okay, bro.
Okay, so I got this duct. I mean, could probably come over here on this side. Hello? I'm hitting that one. I think that one is the one by the door. The unit's right there. So this is the kitchen area. There's nothing in the kitchen area. And the one that she was assuming was going to be right here, there's nothing really there. Go over there. Assuming one is in the living room area. The only one that goes to the living room area is all the way that way. All the way that way. So everything looks good. Okay. So I gotta record. So this vent is most likely the one in the living room by the doorway. That's how I reference that, is my air handler over there. It's about within around 10 feet radius, and that's the one diagonally that runs there. And there's no other one really besides this run. The TY is off to the front door and the back of the couch over there, which is kind of like the living room area. So we follow this ductwork back. You know what I'm saying? This ductwork leads back to the plenum. And the supply plenum right here. It's a little disconnected. This supply plenum right here off of this side. So we already know where that one goes to. One that comes over here. Alright. One that comes over here on this side is the one that's on one side of the so that's not disconnected. This is the kitchen / dining room area, and as you can see, I'm gonna go that way right now a little bit. Kitchen / dining room. This is one of the vents right here. The T-wise off from right there. T-wise, this one is in the dining room area, which is right over there. Right there. That box right there. And the other one, the other TY goes, oh, let's go that way. The other TY, all right, let's go. I guess, let's go back. The other TY goes all the way into the main bedroom areas. So, I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. The ductwork is here. It doesn't. The line set's kind of bad. There. See? You got this one. You got this main branch. Let's go back to this one here. This one that TY's off. Goes all the way to the master bedroom in the back over there. All the way in the back. And that one is not disconnected. But we're gonna just double check. So this one is the laundry room here. That one's good. Then the TY's off the plenum and goes to the other side. It's over here. TY. Everything's connected. Nothing is disconnected. And these are not your traditional rectangular ducts. This is flex duct. So you see this right here? That unit's good. That supply duct is good. That plenum's good. Like I said, the one that ran one of the master bedrooms is also right here. Boom. All right. Alright, let's get out of here, honestly. Sheesh. It was not as bad as I thought. But damn, that sucks. Alright. Yeah. Now I got video proof.